Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice factorial problem which a lot of people thought that the answer for this one is supposed to be 1. Now that is absolutely incorrect. This actually happens if you have a little bit less knowledge on the topic of factorial. Now what is a factorial? It is nothing but a number which has an exclamation sign ahead of it. So let's say you had to find factorial of 4. Okay, that is nothing but what expansion of products of 4 but in decreasing order till the time you reach the value of 1. Okay, so now if I wanted to find factorial of 3, that would be what, 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, now if you see over here, if I wanted to write 5 factorial, that could have been written as what, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So now if I want to write 5 factorial in terms of 4 factorial, I can even say this as nothing but what, 5 into this numbers, and these numbers are absolutely same. So I can just write this as what, 5 into 4 factorial. Or if I wanted to write 5 factorial in terms of 3 factorial, I can even write this as what, 5 factorial equals to 5 into 4. And then if you see these numbers are matching these numbers, so you can just write this as 3 factorial. Okay, so I hope you have understood that it is very easy to write the bigger number in terms of the smaller number. Okay, so now out of these two, 43 factorial and 42 factorial, I can write this denominator in terms of what, 42 factorial into, sorry, let's just write it this way. 43 factorial can be written as 43 into 42 factorial plus 42 factorial. Now since the denominator is written in terms of 42 factorial, let's write 44 factorial in terms of 44 into 43 into 42 factorial. Now what happens is, in your denominator you can take the 42 factorial outside, and then you're left with 43 plus 1. Okay, and from your numerator you just keep writing it as it is, because what happens is eventually you are able to cancel 42 factorial and 42 factorial. So this then comes out to be 44 into 43 upon 43 plus 1 is 44. So this and this also gets cancelled. So answer is nothing but just 43 for this particular question. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.